We can talk about video script formulas and concepts all day long, but that's not gonna get you the results you want. Using this worksheet, however, will. Once you did your research and know what kinds of keywords you want to target and what video you want to make, download and open this 5-step viral video worksheet. You can see each column is color-coded to help you quickly organize your thoughts on paper. The example I gave you is from one of my own videos talking about the difference between Facebook ads and YouTube ads. You can see the first 10 seconds is dedicated to stating the keywords, Facebook ads or YouTube ads. The next 20 seconds is the hook. The hook for my video is which ads are better for beginners. Then we get into the content, which is 4 minutes long. I also created a column for you so that you can make a note as to when in your video did you place the subtle subscribe animation. In the next column, we will wrap up your video in the next 20 seconds and ask for comments. And finally, the last 10 seconds of your video is dedicated to pushing the viewer to watch the next video in the series, while reminding them again to subscribe so they don't miss it. Once you fill out this worksheet, it's time to write your video script. To help you do just that, I gave you the exact script I wrote for my Facebook ads or YouTube ads video, so download it and open it up. As you can see, all the text is color-coded. I recommend using colors when you script your videos because it will immediately show you what part of your script is the keyword, the hook, the content, the question, and the next video intro. It's not a coincidence that you'll notice the colors in the Word document matches the colors in the worksheet. We start with the keywords, which is red, then the hook, which is orange, then the content, which is blue, then the question, which is green, and finally the next video intro, which is back to red. As you write your script, keep an eye on the total number of pages. In Hollywood screenwriting, 1 page of script equals 1 minute of screen time. This is why most movie scripts are around 90 to 120 pages long. This is also true for your YouTube scripts. Each page will take about 1 minute of your video time. That means if you finish your YouTube script and realize that it's 7 pages, you probably did too much. Since we're aiming for a 5-minute video, your script should be around 5 pages long. Now that you know the 5-step viral video formula, have the worksheet, and example how to color code your script, the last thing for me to do is to show you an example of the final product. The next episode is the final product of this 5-page script example I gave you. When you watch the video, pay attention how I start with the keywords, then the hook, how quickly I get into the content, then ask for the comment, and end the video introducing another video in the series. Also, pay attention when the subtle subscribe animation shows up and when it shows up again at the end of the video to remind viewers to subscribe. Hope you enjoy it.